Hello, my name is Sbabo, and I'm here today at the show on behalf of Untether AI, showcasing our first generation product, the runAI 200. So we have the half height, half width PCIe cards. We also have the big dual slot PCIe cards for bigger applications. Now, our first product is runAI 200. The 200 stands for 200 megabytes of on-chip SRAM. It also provides performance of 500 TOPS of INT8 performance with an efficiency of 8 TOPS per watt. And what we have today as a demonstration is an application demo that we support to customers. So we provide the full SDK with the full software stack so they can see how to integrate our chip with their products. And the important notes here is that we're running 8 streams of data concurrently on a single device with an aggregate FPS of around 115 to 120. Now this is important to note that you can use that to your application as necessary. You could think of this as the raw horsepower. What's important here is the actual demo. Most of the demos ran on the CPU. Our chip, obviously an accelerator, provides the AI inference acceleration. But what's happening here is there's a region of interest with a crosswalk, people inside the crosswalk, which are labeled green if they're on the crosswalk or red if they're outside of it. And also vehicles, as they approach the area, will be labeled blue, as you see here. But if they start to encroach while people are in the zone, then they'll be labeled red, and we're about to see that now. So this is all happening on the host system, and our chip comes in to offload the AI acceleration from the CPU. So important note I'll end on is that this on a single chip, you get about 120 FPS for YOLAC. We also have object detectors that run at about 350 frames per second, and users are encouraged to think of how that would be distributed in their applications. As I mentioned, it's our first generation product here at this show, but please stay tuned because we are having a second generation coming out at the end of this year, which is roughly the same form factor, die and package and single and 4-chip cards, but those will be at about 2,000 TOPS for a single chip. Supports FP8, FP16, has an efficiency of anywhere from 20 to 30 TOPS per watt, and 240 megabytes of on-chip SRAM and external memory for, let's say, bigger models that are necessary. So if you want to find out more information about us, visit us at untether.ai. We have white papers, product briefs, testimonials, partnerships, etc., all the information you might need. And thank you for coming by. Appreciate it.